What's up, everybody? It's your boy General 315 back again with another Kick Who review for y'all. Today we got those Taupe Haze. I don't know how to say it, man. I don't know how to say it. I like the shoe. It's the brown shoe with the eczema on it, the eczema skin. It needs some lotion. The Need Lotion 4s. We got the Taupe Haze Jordan 4, and I love this shoe. This is a Kick Who shoe, so you know it's a UA. This isn't the retail. I wasn't able to hit on the retail, but we got this one, and we're gonna get the little video out for y'all so we can see what's going down, see what we like, see what we don't like. Remember, this is an educational video. Just remember, I'm not telling you to buy from Kick Who or nothing like that. You guys can go with the retail or you can go with the UA. It's your choice, completely up to you. I'm just showing you what I got from Kick Who, so it can kind of give you an idea of what you're gonna get, either retail or UA. Up to you completely. I don't know what the resale value of these joints are. I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you can see it. But this shoe was a banger. This shoe was definitely a banger. I think it made an impact more so than was expected. I think the colorway itself is super dope. It really reminds me of one of those unreleased Travis Scott Jordan 4 color, which that was floating around. And they did a good job with these. So let me just, kind of get into it so we can see what we got here. I know that the Taupe, I looked it up. I looked up what it was. And Taupe is a color. It's like a brown color, which is what this is. And it might look gray on the screen, but it's brown. It's like a really brown, like kind of muted brown color. And Taupe is it's a mole, like a mole that digs and burrows into the ground. So that's what I looked it up just to see what it was. So that's what I found. So maybe that's kind of where the theme was with this type of like cracked skin look or whatever, cracked leather or what, all that stuff. Okay, so let's jump into it. I really like this shoe. So primarily you got this nice brown upper, and it's got really nice suede kind of on this toe box right here, and it follows along this direction, goes this way onto the back and around to the other side, right? But then the highlights of the shoe is the mud guard here, and the ankle collar going down the eyelets is all this crazy cracked leather. And the first thing I thought was like ashiness, like somebody ain't put no lotion on, ashy. That's what I thought about when I saw these. I was like, man, these look like somebody with super dry skin. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that was a little weird at first. But then in more pictures, I saw that this shoe to show you a little bit better because it's on the tongue as well. But there you guys go. It's like this cracked eczema looking skin, kind of like it's like skin almost. And I thought that was very unique. Aside from the colorway being nice, I thought that was very unique about this shoe. I didn't think that I didn't think I would see something like that, whereas like it looks like some ashy legs or something like that. But very dope. It's different, and I like different. So just breaking the shoe down, this suede is really nice. It is kind of transitional. Maybe I can get it to do it this way. You guys can kind of see it. There you go. You can see that transition. Very nice suede on here. Very nice suede. I didn't brush it. I didn't do anything like that. So I just pulled it out of the box, and it's got nice transitional suede on it. I'm sure if you brush it, it'll raise it more. So that's dope. The cracked scaly skin, I mean, the leather is actually soft. It's not bad leather, I can tell you that. You got like a white or sail. Sorry, I keep moving the shoe around. You got a white or sail like type of midsole here, along with this like brown. It's kind of like a black, but it's like brownish almost. I think it's more so black than that, but anyway. And then you got a black outsole, and then you got this infrared hit here and this infrared hit right here. Black laces. I think the cage looks good on both shoes. They're both going in the right direction. That's one big thing that you want to look at if you get a UA. And I think the cage here is not too big, and that looks good as well on both shoes. It looks excellent. I think that they're both very good. Going to the heel here, you got our Jumpman, and of course, like there's going to be inconsistencies. This is one of the main spots here that people look at. I think this one's a little bit shorter than this one. Doesn't really bother me. It might bother somebody else, so just make sure you guys notice that. I do like how they got this Taupe Haze Jumpman on the back instead of making it like infrared. I thought that was very nice that they did that, because I feel like that would have made it look a little tacky. So there's that. Going to the up the tongue to the Jordan symbol here, the Jumpman logo. I like that. That looks really good. This is probably like one of the best UA logos that I've ever seen. He's not too skinny. Everything looks like perfect. Everything looks perfect. He don't got skinny legs. He don't got no pot belly, no nothing. So he looks really good on here. And it's all stitched well. The one thing I noticed about this shoe was that the tongue of the shoe was very fat in comparison to other Jordan 4s. And I don't know if this is like the new way they're gonna do it, but this is kind of poofy. It's kind of a poofy tongue, almost like resembles like a SB kind of tongue. Not that big, but you know what I'm saying. Like, is this like the SB4 or something like that? You know what I mean? So you got the poofy tongue there, but that's fine. So infrared hit on the inside of the tongue here, and then also infrared on the inside with the Jumpman in there. So not too bad. You know, size and tag is there. So everything else pretty much checks out. The shoe is very, very nice. I do like it. One other thing was the toe box looked kind of like rounded to me, but I looked at pictures on StockX and all that, and it looked the same. So I thought that that was okay too. Doesn't look bad to me at all. So very comfortable shoe. It fits true to size. So if you decide to go to Kickoo, you can use my discount code. It is here on the bottom of the screen. Okay. So hit me up on Instagram if you guys have any questions about that stuff. All right. So as far as rating the shoe, I think that this shoe is really nice. I will give it a solid 8.5 out of 10 overall. Just because I like it because it's different. I feel like if the whole shoe was suede, it would have been like, eh. But I liked how they put this weird cracked leather skin looking type of whatever is on here. You know what I'm saying? It's leather, but you know what I'm saying? The type of look, I like it. I think it's very unique, and I think it's pretty dope. So I'll go with 8.5 overall for this shoe. I know I give a lot of 8s and stuff like that, but this one I do like, and I do think the construction is very, very good. There's other videos out there of people doing comparisons between retail and UA, and you guys can go check those. Okay, so that's all I got for the shoe. I hope you guys enjoy the on foot. Got a little on foot for y'all. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.